Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Loise Chef. Today I'll be making naan bread, which is Indian cuisine. These are my ingredients. This is the yeast, sugar, salt, margarine, and flour, which is all-purpose flour, and warm water and cling film with a rolling pin, and the oil, which is Pastian oil. I'll start with flour, adding the flour in the container. Add another one. I want to put 2 cups of flour, or and a half, just add half. And then add some salt, kidogo tu for taste, and some sugar. Then you can use your hands to rub in. Rubbing is one of the methods of making flour, or you can use whisk, the one which is comfortable. We let it come together. Then you add some yeast. After adding some yeast, you add oil. Using the rubbing in method. Can you see the way it looks like? It looks like. Then you add some water, little by little. This is warm water. I love rubbing in, so whisking inanileteanga shida. Lakini naonanga whisking ni ya keki tu. Kileta tujaribu na whisk, nisichome. Na add maji. Unaweza weka any flavor, mimi sitaweka flavor yoyote. Flavor yangu najua huku watu wanapendanga sukari. Still more water. Acha tufunike hii shube ama chumvi isipate mauchafu. The problem with whisk ina waste. Saona. Hivi kama chapo. We need like a chapo. Shikane, and we add some oil. Kishikana kama chapo. Need mpaka shikane kwa kama chapo. Then we add some oil. Na imekuwa poa. Kama tu add some oil, some unga kiasi, isinisumbue kuroll, sababu tutairoll to make balls, unga balls ama flour balls kama tu chapo. Isinisumbue kwa nini. Add some oil kiasi tu, isikue ngumu. Hapo tutaifunika. Natumianga serviette. I've wrapped it up with a cling film for 30 minutes. Erased for 30 minutes. Alafu process ingine, we make flour balls like for chapo. After the dough has risen, we unwrap the cling film and now put the flour to avoid. We add the flour to avoid the dough to stick on the table or the surface. Then we roll like the way we roll a ball. We roll vizuri, we flatten both sides. Add some oil, some flour because naona inanisumbua kunini. Some flour. Na imekuwa hard kidogo, si kama tu ya chapo imekuwa hard. That's the difference between ya chapo inakuanga soft, ya naan inakuanga hard. That's the difference. Hii nilikuwa napikia wa my Indians huko low class, hapo na nilijua. And don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell. Sisahau. Naifanya hivi. Tunakaa tu bora. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flour balls. Tuimwagilie flour to avoid to stick, then to roll. As I roll, I'll be making this curry. Opening this gas. Kama chapo, lakini ya chapati tunaekanga mafuta, hii hatutaeka mafuta. Jaribu. Naitwa wife techniques and skills. Kama aje. Ela nzuri. Tutaweka mafuta. Tunaweka pale kwa unga. Maana inaitwa naan. Mkate wa Yesu. Ekeye. Mkate wa Yesu. We are adding flour to avoid the dough not to stick on the surface. Hata ukitaka classes unaweza ni DM. Sitakataa. Lakini mtalipa tu 200 ama 200 tu. Hata classes 200 tu. Naweza pikia familia. Sasa kama mimi sina mtu napikianga sae na my siblings. Today ni Valentine edition by the way. Valentine edition. Kwanza haka kametokea vizuri. Utanipakufailisha. It has started to brown. Niongeza kama kidogo. Jilishe kidogo. Niweke mafuta. Hatutaifanya sana kama ya wazungu. Ishe haraka. Tumia kijiko na kasosa. This is my final product, which is the naan bread, the Indian food. You can serve with the beef stew or any other meat stews or legume stews. So for those who don't know, legume stews are the bean stew and the kamande stew or dengu stew, the green gram stew. So I want to apply margarine for sweetening the naan, or you can even put jam. Then I apply some jam to beautify the naan, because it's a homemade naan. So then for the guest, you just serve it like this. So you can serve according to how the pieces the guest wants. So for me, I assume my guest ameitisha 2, alafu nyingine ninamwekea tu hapo katikati ajisavie. This is the sugar and the butter. Yes. Na hii ni knife. Hii for any kama guest anataka more margarine ama butter. For me, I have used margarine because we don't have butter. Thank you for watching. See you.